Hello friends, it's Kevin with Our Restoration Nation, and today I'm going to review the LUBA 3 all-wheel drive robot mower. Well, I'm pretty excited. I know I'm just sitting here in the yard and you're wondering what I'm excited about, but I am actually sitting on the box of my newest tool. I've got a really cool thing here. This is the LUBA 3 by Mammotion. It's a robot lawnmower. So I'm gonna unpack this and I'm gonna show you why it's so great for my versatile lawn, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. I'm gonna run it for you, and I'm gonna give you my take on how well it works. Because believe me, I could use something that will do something automatically and I don't have to do it around here because there's so much to do. So let me unbox this and I'll show you everything we got. If you've spent any amount of time watching our journey here at Hope Farm, you know we have a lot of grass. And when I say a lot of grass, I mean 5 acres of hills, ditches, slopes, obstacles, trees, gardens, buildings, and all the things that make mowing a challenge. So when Mammotion reached out and asked if we'd like to test their brand new LUBA 3 all-wheel drive, I immediately knew this property would be the perfect test. Because if it can survive here, it can probably survive just about anywhere. This is the Mammotion LUBA 3 all-wheel drive, the newest generation in a product line that has now evolved through 4 generations of development. From the original LUBA to today's LUBA 3, Mammotion has continually refined the platform based on real-world user feedback and real-world mowing conditions. And this isn't technology that's only being used in suburban backyards. Mammotion systems are already being used in demanding environments, including European golf courses, theme parks, and even Danish military installations. So let's see what it can do here. One of the things that surprised me most was how simple the setup process was. For years, robotic mowers required perimeter wires buried throughout your yard. Nobody wants to spend a weekend digging trenches before they can even mow. With the LUBA 3, setup is almost shockingly simple. There are no boundary wires. There isn't even an RTK base station required. Mammotion's NetRTK technology allows you to simply map your property in the app, establish your boundaries, create zones, and start mowing. Honestly, if you can use a smartphone, you can set this up. Now, before we get into the details, let me tell you the 3 things that impressed me most. First, the all-wheel drive system. Second, obstacle avoidance. Third, the mapping and lawn management features. And we're going to test all 3. Let's start with the one I was most skeptical about, the hills. Mammotion claims the LUBA 3 can handle slopes up to 80% or nearly 39 degrees. That's incredibly steep, much steeper than most robotic mowers can manage. The secret is its all-wheel drive system combined with adaptive suspension and omnidirectional wheels. Instead of spinning helplessly or getting stuck, it constantly adjusts traction and power to maintain grip. Around Hope Farm, we have areas where traditional robotic mowers would simply wave a white flag and give up. It's also capable of crossing vertical obstacles up to 3.2 inches tall. That means small holes, roots, stones, and uneven ground are far less likely to stop it. And that's important because historic properties rarely offer perfectly smooth lawns. The next feature I wanted to test was obstacle avoidance. The LUBA 3 uses a combination of 360-degree LiDAR and dual-camera AI vision. The LiDAR scans up to 70 meters around the mower, while the cameras and AI processor identify objects in real time. Mammotion says it can recognize more than 300 obstacle types. What's impressive is that it doesn't simply stop. It recognizes obstacles and intelligently routes around them while maintaining its mowing pattern. That means fewer interruptions and more efficient coverage. For families with children, pets, outdoor furniture, or constantly changing yards, that's a huge advantage. It also includes smart anti-fall protection. The mower can detect cliffs, steps, and drop-offs before reaching them. For properties with retaining walls, ponds, pools, terraces, or steep embankments, That extra layer of protection provides real peace of mind. Now let's talk about one of my favorite features, the intelligence behind the mowing itself. Watch this time lapse. The mower isn't wandering randomly. It's creating efficient, organized paths across the lawn. The result is more consistent coverage, less wasted battery, and a noticeably cleaner finish. Using the Mammotion app, you can create up to 100 separate mowing zones. That means one area can be cut more frequently, while another can be cut less often. You can schedule different zones independently. And yes, if you're feeling creative, you can even create lawn art. You can literally have the mower write words or create patterns in your grass. I mean, how fun is that? Of course, none of this matters if it can't actually cut grass. Fortunately, that's not a problem. The LUBA 3 features dual 165-watt cutting motors with 12 blades. The cutting width is 400 millimeters, allowing it to cover large areas quickly. It can automatically adjust power and cutting performance based on grass density. So whether it's thin grass, thick grass, or areas that have gotten slightly out of control, the mower adapts to conditions as it works. And the results speak for themselves. Consistent height, clean appearance, no gas, no fumes, no hauling equipment around, no spending your Saturday afternoon behind a mower. And honestly, that's where this differs most from traditional mowing. For decades, we've all accepted that lawn care means spending hours every week pushing equipment around. The LUBA changes that. Instead of mowing the lawn, you manage the lawn. The mower handles the work. The large battery provides up to 215 minutes of runtime. When needed, the mower automatically returns to charge and then resumes exactly where it left off. No intervention required. A few other features worth mentioning. It's whisper quiet. It's IPX6 waterproof. It includes rain detection. It receives firmware updates over the air, and every unit includes a built-in 4G module along with 3 years of free cellular data. Many competing systems charge extra for those features. Mammotion includes them. Another interesting feature is yard monitoring. When connected to Wi-Fi, you can use the onboard camera system to view your yard remotely through the Mammotion app. Importantly, it's privacy first. Recording is off by default, and you control exactly what gets stored and when. After spending time with the Mammotion LUBA 3 all-wheel drive, I understand why this platform has become one of the most talked about robotic mowers on the market. The all-wheel drive performance is impressive. The obstacle avoidance is genuinely smart, and the setup process is far easier than I expected. For large properties, difficult terrain, and homeowners looking to reclaim their weekends, this is a fascinating glimpse at where lawn care is headed. If you'd like to learn more about the Mammotion LUBA 3 all-wheel drive, we've included a link in the first 3 lines of the description below. And now, if you'll excuse me, I have an 18th century house to restore while the mower handles the grass. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.